In this video, we show you 2 quick and easy ways that you can search for programming on Fision TV Plus. Whatever you are searching for, remember that Fision TV Plus searches across live TV, on demand, DVR recordings, and your streaming apps when delivering search results. With your remote, you can use Search from within the navigation bar to find programs by title, episode title, description, or even a person's name. To get started, go to the home screen and select Search by navigating right using the arrow keys. After selecting the first few letters, you'll start to see results come up. As you select more letters, the results will narrow. Once you see the result you are looking for, choose it using the navigation keys and the Select button. You'll then see all the options available for your selection. You can use the same steps to search for a particular channel or group of channels by channel name. Searching for a person's name works the same way. Use first and last name to refine your search. You'll quickly see a list of movies and TV shows with icons that show available viewing options. If no icons appear under your titles, you may not be able to currently watch. An even more convenient way to search is by speaking naturally into your remote after pressing and then releasing the Digital Voice Assistant button. Just wait for the search bar to appear on screen before speaking. Some examples of searches you can perform are looking for a particular program by title. Show me The Big Bang Theory. You can search for your favorite movie or TV show genres. Show me sci-fi movies. Show me reality shows. You can search for specific sports programming or for a particular team. Show me Premier League matches. And you can do much more than search with the voice assistant. You can tune to a channel just by saying its name. Food Network. You can access your DVR recordings and My Shows by saying My Recordings. You can even check your local weather forecast by saying, "What's the weather today?" For more information on all the ways you can use the Fision TV Plus Digital Voice Assistant, visit gethotwired.com/support and enter Fision TV Plus Voice Assistant in the search bar.